Hey guys, how you going? My name is Dom, and in this video I'd like to demonstrate how to make your own custom errors within JavaScript. So the reason why you might want to do this is to dive into a bit of custom error handling in your application. So if the default JavaScript errors are not enough for your application, you may want to actually consider making your own custom errors. That way you get more detail about what's actually gone wrong. Okay, so we're going to use an example here where we're going to throw an error, a custom error, if someone's age is not over the age of 21. So in most countries, if you want to drink alcohol, you got to be 21. So we're going to use that scenario to actually demonstrate the idea of having a custom error in JavaScript. Okay, so inside the text editor for this HTML file, it looks like this. Okay, so let's go ahead here and actually make a new object which represents just a regular person. Okay, so I'm going to make a new constant here called person equal to just a standard person with a name of, let's just say Dom, and an age of, let's make Dom 27 years old. Okay, so we have this person right here, and we're going to pass this person into a function, and then if the person is not 21 years of age or older, then we're going to throw the custom error. Okay, so let's define a function called drink alcohol. Okay, and this will take in just a person. We'll just call it P for now. Okay, and basically we're going to say if person.age is less than 21, then inside here we're going to throw a custom error. If not, we can just say for demonstration purposes console.log, we can just say p.name is drinking. Okay, so if everything went well, basically just going to see this message right here. So let's just go ahead here and actually call this drink alcohol function and pass the person into that just to see the current result. So I can save this and then refresh the browser, and we get this right here. We get Dom is drinking in the console. Okay, so if we were now to change the age to something like 17, we can then go ahead and go inside here and actually create our own custom error. Okay, so you can do this by using the error constructor. Okay, so we can basically just say throw. Okay, we can say throw a new instance of an error. So that is the error constructor. Inside here we can pass through our own custom message. So we can say, for example, person is under the age of 21. Okay, cool. So now I can save this and I can refresh the browser, and we get here uncaught error, person is under the age of 21 at drink alcohol, and you get the entire stack trace and all that good stuff, so you can go ahead and obviously fix the error. So of course you can use this in a try catch just as you normally would. So let's just say we can say try and drink some alcohol with that person, and if something went wrong we can catch the error, the custom error, and we can just say something went wrong, and then basically just console.error the error. Okay, so obviously you would do your own error handling here. So I can now save this and refresh, and we get a similar result. This time we get a caught error that says obviously their own custom error message right there. And that is how you can make your own custom errors in JavaScript. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.